Hello, monkey. All right. Let's see what tickets we have open still. Okay, so what we are now doing are these things. So first off, right now our character just fires things directly from the mesh. Can I find it? This here, right? We have a mesh here. Has nothing yet. Wait, how does this get... Ah, it doesn't. Do we use this anywhere? Might be dead. Never mind, there are two things. Ow. Mesh one. Fighting entity. This one has nothing to do with it. How did it find it when I go for class member? Sense. Hmm. I think this one is like not used at all. Why is it used here instead? Dodge sound attached to component. Ah, this one I added afterwards. I made a mistake here. Sit sound should have been on the visual entity here. This is a component, so it's fine. Not correct since we are not using this. I could delete this, but I guess it's automatically created. I'm not sure. I'm not sure why this is here, because I'm certainly not using it. Anyway, let's find out where we are setting the visual actor. My visual actor anyway. There you are. Here. With this. Overworld controller. Build overworlds. Build overworld from save. Well, it doesn't matter. Player avatar. This one is what we need. One needs our new skeletal. Just Mira. How do we trigger its animations? So we have something there. How do I go back here? Blueprint visual entity, player avatar, and on the 3D place it's dummy. Right now at least. What we want to do, a little different though. Where is the animation blueprint? Where is the animation? Certainly not here. Huh. Wait, can't change to it. Abstract character animation. Thing. How do I set this animation blueprint to the skeletal? Because this needs to be now a cube that I will make from Blender. We have even these motifs. From here. Must be from here. I forgot. Might be this one. Say trades. Ah, I see. It creates it automatically. Okay, good. Then let's build a dummy humanoid. And for characters we make an abstract. So go in here. Just need a cube. It doesn't matter. And then we add some animations in here. In here, I think. So new. I just say the actual action, or do I add something? Humanoid, something. Huh. The thing. Oh, if I do a new one, what do I do? New action. Work. Idle. And jump. You have them all here? Seem to be there. I don't want to push it down. Didn't save correct. Maybe I have to push down. How do I delete these? Oh no, we deleted everything. And they're still here. Let's learn how to delete these things. Play outliner. Ah, here. Okay, but there's nothing here. Go to outliner, set the display mode to blender file. Oh, look at this. What are the actions? Interesting. I can just delete these. Right click, delete. Okay. Very interesting. If I now go here, they should be gone. Ah, okay. Nice. Let's add another cube. Okay, what did I do last time? I didn't push them down. So let's actually begin with idle. And then push this down actually. Because then it seems like it saves. I thought if I push it down, it creates these, what is it called, NLA strips? And maybe I can save this without that. Down action. And down onto the... See. There are two ways. One is with a fake user and one over NLA. Action editor. Field icon. And that would be it. We do this. And then I do a new one called running. And jump. So now if I go here, these are there. Are the names correct? Yes. Be right back. You know, you have, like, how to say, the motivation to say that. But when you join, you don't say hello. You little... Hello. 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 Hello, baby. How are you doing? Oh my god, you guys are posting one wall of text after the other. Don't have time for that. And can't read that now. You're melting. But yeah, okay, I understand that you're melting and cannot say hi. But why can you say good luck on your mission, monkey? Why do you have the energy to do that? You do know? No, you find it funny to do. Unbelievable. How was it? Unbelievable. Yeah, let's export this. Let's save this first. Save as characters. We need a new one. Abstract. And then we call this abstract character. Save. And then we try to export this. Export. And then the characters abstract. Get in here. Import all. There they are. Perfect. Now I can do animation blueprint. from that abstract, hopefully. Abstract character skeleton. I guess I have to save them before it can recognize it. There it is. Create abstract character and BP. Now I can do the state machine in here. And then see from there, I guess. This one we don't need, this one we don't need. We can recreate everything we see here. Command string as idle in there. Do that here too. Already have it. Perfect. What's the problem here? Entry node nm is not connected. Yeah, I don't care. Entry goes to idle. Okay, so state idle. What's in here? Maybe I should have this on my second screen. So Bevy, tell me, how were the last days? I didn't see you here. Go to idle, what is that? What are these called? Can I just copy this? I can. Problems, the rest doesn't come with it. Copy this. Actually remove. Like that. Okay. And then we one by one check if everything is the insides cannot be correct, of course. The values. Yesterday I was at an emergency call out, so I couldn't be. Sunday I do not remember, why was I not there? Wonder. Wasn't I there? Or was it the day I came home late? I mean, do you remember me building a running animation? Then you were there. But I remember that you looked at something just a split second. You were there and then you left. Or as I remember. Yes, the copy paste brought every option with it. Oh, the thing is, do I add these? Cube idle. And here I assume. And it's looping. And I see no other changes. You have a boyfriend? Since when? I mean, I'm not surprised that much, but still. When did that happen? I can imagine from where. From your job, where else? Wait, what am I doing? Jump. Is it the guy you played Helldivers with? I swear, if it's that guy, I knew it from the beginning. Ah, damn it. I could have sworn, man. Well, it's fresh though, so I can understand not to tell it. Not to make a big deal out of it. Although, maybe some people in our group should know. Just, you know, keep in touch. Does he like video games? This is important. Well, that's an example to do it, I guess, yes. The longer you don't say, the more awkward it will get. And since you have like rarely contact with us in a natural setting, it will be even harder. This one we now did. Wait, this needs to be backwards, right? I do. Where do we say that this needs to be backwards? Yeah, I mean, do you ever sit down and then just talk? You know what I mean? We are not in VR chat anymore. There are no natural discussions anymore to just bring it up. That's what I mean. As you said, how the fuck should I bring it up? The only way is either just tell it, or to have it natural, but the setting for a natural talk is not given anymore. That's the problem. In my eyes. I mean, I could break it to them. Just say, everyone! Maybe just a link to the stream. Hey guys, you will not believe clip. But hey, at least you were able to bring it up with me somehow. Although it was very, very, how to say? What is the, not smooth? Oh, by the way, I have a boyfriend. What? But you did it. Good job. Okay, I think we did all the animations now. All we have to do is make an animation blueprint for Mira, and then inherit from here. Also, we need to copy these in, I think. Oh boy. We need a bunch of dispatchers that we cannot copy. That's a problem. I'll just copy that here. Damn it. Okay, then copy it the hard way. Oop. Oop. And boop. And this one has things here. One string. Command. And reload. Oof. It is warm. Well, since I enjoy hot weather, I can tolerate this more than other people, I guess. I dislike the cold instead. The only down... how to say... what was the word? Downside? Is when it's hot, anything that I usually do just overheats, and that's not good. Turning on the PC. The floor is lava. Streaming. My router is now a volcano. Using the kitchen sink. Everything is burning. Exactly. You didn't even react to my bad joke. You're that far melted. Imagine. No, I said I turn on my PC, I turn on stream and my router, and then I said kitchen sink, and you didn't react. How dare you? And now I have everything, I think. So let's try. This is a mood. Do you see this? Mira ball. Now, how do we do this? Do I just do that? Yes, of course I need to do that. How do I do the override? I forgot. Mira. Wait. Wait. I'm doing something wrong here. Not how this should be. This is not how this should be. I need to make a child actor. Child blueprint, that is from here. I need to template. Maybe this? I'm not sure. Huh? I guess it's this? Yeah. Get this one over there. And then this is Mira Mira animation blueprint. I could have called it BP, but whatever. And now it needs to be saved. And how do I get Mira in here now? With this? How was I able to get Mira in here? I forgot how I did it in the past. It was some very strange way. Was just drag and drop? No. Apply. Drag and drop now? No. I don't want to look at my other streams. What is this? Material. Skeleton. This is here. How can I... Oh, wait. There we go. Now we are getting somewhere, maybe. No. Okay. I can only select this right now. Well, problem is that I want something else here. Ah, wait. Maybe I know what's going on. Save. Close it. Close everything, actually. And then reopen. Wasn't it like that some way? Mira, open. And then... Huh, okay, maybe not. I've sworn that something like that. How was this again? I forgot. Or is it not possible in this version anymore? That would be so... Ah, look at that. Interesting, maybe... Let's open something else. Fishy. Wait, that's in blueprints. Here. Yeah, how does this look? Okay. That's material, I don't care. Uh-huh. Oh boy, okay. This on headache won't work this way. Can I retarget? Settings. Wait, what? Details. Okay, and then? Oh, here. This is correct. Oh, okay, so let's delete Mira. Animation blueprints. Mira animation blueprint, bye bye. And then, what was that? Let's create an animation blueprint here with Mira. Mira on MVP. Okay. Now what? Parent is abstract. One. Oh no. Oh, that doesn't work. Hmm. Ah, now I get it. I need to overwrite the animations. But this is funny, isn't it? Just flopping like a fish. Yes. Okay, where's the animation override? How did we do it here? Was it maybe here? Oh my god, where was it? My god. I need to find out where the override is. Asset override here. Anim graph. Okay, so we just need to save and reopen this probably. Okay, Mira. Reopen. There it is. I'll jump done, and running. So for this, now I need to look how the... No, actually, you know. Not dummy. Idle is this here. Oh, this is scary. Well, at least it works now. Oh my god, okay, it works. Jump. Jump. What's on land? Land is like nothing, right? I guess we go with jump. Running. Running. Save. And then we try. Run. Idle. Jump. Land. Run. Idle. Haha! Voila! She's alive. now for our next trick. We have to rip out the old heart and put in the new heart. Our old dummy is getting decommissioned now. I need to figure out where though. Probably here. By this initialize. The problem is this is a certain class. What are we expecting here? Visual entity object. This is a visual entity. That's fine. The problem is in here then. Player avatar initialize. And nothing happens in here. Might be... Player avatar. Summoner. Oh no. Oh no, okay. Ooh, this is a little messy. We need to clean up by step. I mean, it works. And it's not messy in that way, but messy in a way that right now this is a summoner. And I might want humanoids that are not summoners, so we have to do additional functionalities at some point. Anyway. Where does this lead us? Set animation instance, nowhere, okay. That cannot be all. Or can it? Okay, I'm confused actually. Does it mean if I have the player avatar here and then set this dummy human to Mira, can it then just work? I mean, it could, if it can send in the correct things. So yes, we need the dummy animation blueprint reference. And where might that be? Good thing you asked, Bevy. That is, of course, under blueprints. And then visual entities. Abstract. Here. Now I can go and find the reference. Everything is in... Okay, these are just the animation whatevers. Summoner VE. Here. Here we use it. NMBP. Ah, now I get it. We need to switch up this thing. We've set it here. This is... Excuse me, we already have one? Abstract character animation BP. Why do I already have this? Oh, we called it that. Oh, that's unfortunate. This was our abstract already. I didn't have to make a new one. That's funny. So maybe the old heart can live on, I guess. We just have to retarget. Okay, let's do it like that then. Dummy. Where is the dummy? This one needs to die then, but where did we do? Here. Abstract. Which one is it? I guess this top one is the new one. There it is. Okay. We compile again. Save. Run. Land. Jump. Jump. Land. Idle. Okay. Okay, she's in now. So we can use this and move it the abstract here. And get rid of all of this. But the thing is, I don't want to open this again and redo the things. But actually, we should get rid of it. Because the file is rather old. And now I have a clean one. We need to get rid of it. It is the better option. Oh, it didn't work this time. Why doesn't this... the animation reparents not work? Yes. Broken now. This is idle. Read it. Yes. Jump. Jump. Jump and run. Okay. Ooh, and now we have to get rid of this. Needs to be a different PP. this will maybe messy. Okay, my search doesn't work anymore. That's it, so we have to start. Save it. Where was I? Oh. We have to exchange this guy a lot. Ooh, will break a lot of things. I mean, this is like fine. What's this? Ah. Well, we have to start somewhere. Maybe we should rename. Which one do we rename though? How about this? Old. Why can't I? Why doesn't it find it? Did I mistype? Why can't I find this class? Abstract character. Oh, there it is. Did I mistype? No. Oh, it was strange. Abstract character. You didn't even need the alt because this is called char and here's NMBP. Okay, so change this. Abstract character. Okay. Do that. Command string set. And set command to idle. That's step 1. Step 2. Find event avatar land ended. Yeah. Next up, unbind land ended. Yeah. Unbind. Oh, I cannot read. Jump ended unbind. Jump ended bind. Here, find event char notification. Voila. Okay, so are we done? No, that can't be it. I need something else still. Was this ever set to something? Abstract, that's a problem. We need the player avatar. And with this, it should be working, hopefully. We have a error. A lot of errors. Didn't work. It didn't even trigger. I guess it fails here. Oh, it's Mira though. Does fail. Now question is, why does it fail here? Is it not recognized that Mira is that class? Abstract character and MVP. Do I do it with the ARP links? Hold on. Oh great, my USB cable die. A sec. Oh, that's not good. Which one it is? God damn it. Well, try to that cable. My other one. Where did I put it? I have a short one. Oh, I'm not gone. Just that my camera no power. Question is, where do I power this from? Here? Does this work? No, there's no power from there, of course. The cable is way too short. Oh. Whatever then. Yes. From here. See? Yep, this works. Very short cable though. Alright, where was I? I wanted to find out. But in the end it didn't work. Layer out our... This is also not correct. I just put Mira here. Does this work? little confused. Well, Mira is here, at least. One doesn't work because this one is the wrong anim thingy. Abstract summoner has the wrong NMBP. And NMBP we set here, which fails right now. Let's see. Has none in it. This thing is empty. How about this thing? It's also empty. Where is it? Whatever. What's in here? Abstract character NMBP. Skeletal mesh. Eh? Mira is definitely in there. If Mira is in there, what is then the problem? Mira is from abstract character and NMBP. This should be settable. Let's audit the blueprint. Now, where was the... Was it under tools? Yes. Debug. Blueprint debugger. What do we want? Abstract summoner. skeletal mesh, abstract, character, and MVP. And all this should be going through. No, it worked. Interesting bug. We had to recreate the things. Hey! Look at her! Don't get too used to her. She will change. Too tall. Her proportions just are not the ones that I'm envisioning. That is true. Good, it works. Let's clean up. And it was unnecessarily complicated because... Do you see any difference between these two codes? Like they're identical. And it just didn't work. So if I put this in again, does it work then? Or does it fail? It works. I don't understand. How? What changed? I literally just copied the same code manually here, put it in, it worked, then I disconnected and connected the old code, and it works again. I swear, something was not saved or something, because somehow skeletal mesh animation instance that I set right here was not recognized by the cast. Makes no sense. Anyway, we got the most complicated part out of the way, and we also added a system where we now can add different other characters that can do the same animations as Mira, as in trigger the same animations. Of course, the modeling of the animations will be different. If I say, like, Hairbud jump, he will jump with the same code that Mira uses. Let's see, issue board. Make humanoid skeletal as abstract and Mira needs to inherit from it. Yes. Integrate Mira into game. Yes. Add walk event triggers on animation. We have to do that. Add physics hair. Look into rig. So let's do the walk thingy. Or that. We can go into the dummy and look what we did there. And do the same, I guess, here. Left foot and right foot on notifiers. Pretty fast. Nice. Stop the animation. This right here. Add notify. New notify. Left foot. Right. Left foot. And then here's right foot. I trigger it twice then? Maybe I should trigger it here. Right foot. And at the end. Save it. And let's see if the sound still works. Nope. Now that is concerning. How do we get these notifies out? Oh. Wait a minute. Ah. Aha. How do we get the notify through here? How did we add notify here anyway? Anim notify. Just here. How do you add these? Ah. Ooh, this is... Do we do this for every... Can I do that as an abstract? Can I just copy this and then put it in the abstract here and everything is fine? Does this work? Nope. Does it need to be in here? Does it even recognize? Works. Doesn't work. I guess it's not triggering, is it? It's triggering. Oh, it does trigger. That's nice to know. So can I then just copy this over here? Does this work? Have you... On? Ah, okay, so the code itself does work. Now the problem is, why does this not go through? Just broken again. Maybe it is broken. Let's see if it goes in here. Maybe it fails here or something. So that works. Why doesn't it listen to it then? Why is the sound not playing? This is so weird. I mean, we have sounds, that is for sure. I didn't turn it off. Because if I go here, we have music. This works. Oh wait, there's no music. What happened to my sound? Why is there no sound? What changed? What the heck? What changed? Why is it not playing? Ah, in my mind. Why is it not playing the music? A crash? Oh lord. Maybe there was a bigger problem when we fixed that issue and Unreal was like having some issues with same namings and then something overloaded. Sound didn't go through anymore. Yeah. There we go. It always works. Just Unreal was broken. Hey, there's Mira. She's there. Nice. Alrighty. So I guess next time we can look into the hair physics. I have no idea how that works. And then we are in the last stretch for the next milestone. We have to balance out the game, find any game-breaking bugs, and then make a new package. But that's it for today. I'm so sad my USB cable is dead. Anyway, baby, thanks for tuning in. Rest in pepperoni. Everyone, thanks for watching. Thanks for the support. And I will see you guys next time. Bye bye, monkey. Thinking of what kind of thumbnail should I put here? Oh, I have to see. Maybe I can find something in Unreal. Bye bye.